The finance world just got hit with a shock. Over 1,000 jobs gone overnight. Why? Not because of a recession, not because of outsourcing, but because of a new AI system that just entered the industry. If you're in finance, accounting, or even data entry, this video could be a warning. In today's video, we're breaking down how a single AI model wiped out thousands of jobs, which companies are using it, and why your job might be at risk too, even if you think you're safe. Stay till the end. We'll also cover what you can do to protect yourself. Let's start with the big news. In early 2025, a major investment firm in New York City quietly laid off 1,000 employees from its back office, including analysts, junior accountants, and compliance staff. Why? They had just integrated a powerful AI model that can analyze spreadsheets, generate financial reports, detect fraud, and even build predictive models, faster and cheaper than any team of humans. The AI was developed by a startup funded by OpenAI and used something like GPT 4.5, but custom-trained on finance-specific data. It could do in seconds what used to take days. What can this AI do? This AI isn't just good at math. It understands natural language instructions, meaning you can literally type, analyze Q1 and Q2 revenue performance, and give me a short summary. And boom! It gives you a human-level answer, with graphs, analysis, and suggestions. It can even simulate market reactions, create investment reports, and prepare regulatory filings. It's like having 10 analysts in your pocket for the price of one AI license. Which companies are using it? This isn't something only one or two companies are trying. Many big names are already using AI in their daily work. Let's start with some of the biggest players in finance. Companies like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Citadel, some of the most powerful names on Wall Street, are already testing advanced AI tools inside their companies. They're using AI to study market trends, manage huge amounts of data, and even help make better investment decisions. And remember, these are companies that move billions of dollars every day. So when they trust AI, it means something serious is happening. But it's not just the giants. Many startups, smaller, fast-moving tech companies, are also building smart AI tools. For example, Numerai is creating a hedge fund powered by data scientists using AI. AlphaSense is helping companies find business insights from millions of documents in seconds. And Runway ML is building creative AI tools that are now being used even in the financial world. Even tools you might already know, like QuickBooks and Zoho, are adding AI features. They help small business owners do things like create invoices, track expenses, and even prepare taxes automatically. So it's not just about big companies anymore. AI is being used at every level, from startups to global corporations. This isn't just a glimpse of the future. It's already happening. Right now, across industries, across countries, companies are adding AI into their systems faster than ever before. Why are companies doing this? Let's be real. Companies are not using AI just because it looks cool or trendy. There's a much bigger reason behind it. The main goal? To save money, save time, and stay ahead of the competition. Hiring people can be expensive. For example, a junior financial analyst might cost around $70,000 per year. That's a lot. But using an AI tool that can do similar tasks? It might cost only $1,000 a month, or even less. That's a huge difference. And when you multiply that across a big company, the savings can be in the millions. Also, AI doesn't need rest. It doesn't sleep, take breaks, ask for vacation, or call in sick. It works 24/7 without getting tired. Humans can make mistakes, we all do. But AI, once trained properly, doesn't make typos or forget tasks. It's fast, accurate, and always ready. Another big reason is speed. In business today, especially in finance or tech, things can change in just a few seconds. One tiny shift in the market can cost a company millions. So, they need tools that can react instantly. I can do that. It can analyze data, spot trends, and make decisions much faster than any human. In short, companies are using AI because it's cheaper, faster, and more reliable. It helps them do more with less. And in a world where every second counts, that gives them a huge advantage. Which finance jobs are at risk? You might be thinking, okay, but I'm not a back-office worker. Still, many finance roles are now vulnerable. Accountants, compliance analysts, data entry operators, junior auditors, portfolio assistants. Even mid-level roles like credit risk analysts are seeing pressure as AI becomes better at forecasting. What makes this AI different? You might be wondering, haven't we seen AI tools before? Yes, we have. But those older AI tools were quite limited. They were designed to do just one thing at a time. For example, one AI might help you write emails, another might organize numbers in a spreadsheet, and another one might just read charts. They were narrow and single-purpose. But this new generation of AI is completely different. It's called multimodal AI, and that means it can understand and work with many types of data all at once, like text, numbers, charts, images, and even voice commands. Let's say you have a 300-page PDF full of financial data, the kind of report that would normally take a human hour, or even days, to read. This AI can scan the entire thing in minutes, pick out the most important information, highlight the risks, and then, here's the magic, automatically create a PowerPoint presentation with all the key points. It's like having a super-fast analyst, a report writer, and a presentation designer, all in one tool. What makes it even more powerful is that this AI isn't just following fixed rules. It's learning all the time. It has been trained on millions of financial documents, which means it understands how markets work, what companies care about, and how to explain complex financial details in a simple way. And with every new update, it keeps getting smarter. In short, this AI is not just faster, it's more flexible, more powerful, and much closer to how real humans work, but without the limits. Is it over for finance careers? Not necessarily. AI will replace tasks, not people, at least for now. But that means your value will depend on how well you work with AI, not without it. Think of AI as your new assistant. If you learn how to prompt, analyze AI output, and make decisions based on it, you'll be ahead of the curve. The question is, are you learning it or ignoring it? What should you do now? Here's how you can future-proof your finance career. 1. Learn AI tools used in your field, like Power BI, ChatGPT, Excel Copilot, or AlphaSense. 2. Upskill in human-only areas, strategy, decision-making, ethics. 3. Understand prompt engineering, how to ask the AI the right questions. 5. Follow trends on how AI is evolving in your industry, because the people who embrace AI will manage the ones who didn't. The AI wave isn't coming. It's already here. And it's hitting finance first. More than 1,000 jobs are already gone, and more are on the line. But you still have time to pivot. Learn, adapt, and don't wait for the pink slip. Because in the age of AI, you're either replacing or being replaced. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI and the future of work.